Respected director, principal, teacher, and other school members. Today I am thanking to school management and dear children. I am Arvind Kumar Singh from Brain Booster School. My institute is associated with Team 360 Jaipur. I am a brain trainer, writer, mathematician, dietitian, career counselor, Avacus, Vedic math, and midbrain activation trainer, and an IBS board expert. My YouTube channel name is Triangular Classes Brain Booster School Varanasi. Work of my team is workshop in school, college, and university. My demo workshop is going to start in your school today now. Today I shall explain about brain test and brain training, so listen be carefully. Do you know that how many part of brain? What is difference between brain and mind? How can make file in brain? What is nature of brain? What is learning pattern? Are all student learning pattern same? Give answer yes or no. Why do you forget anything or learning material in some hours? How can change our bad habits? How can calculate any sum in few seconds? How can read and write any materials with blindfold? How can use imagination, visualization, observation and nature of the brain to fast learning in education? You can learn about this in this brain test and brain training workshop. This is about me and about workshop. Now I am starting some exercises and some demo. So watch be carefully, learn and enjoy the workshop. In last, I want to say that learn this modern technology and know the nature of the brain with help of brain test. According to nature of the brain, decide the career and success in our life. Thank you.